today something different. We're going to shoot the animation using the X sheets. Here you can see my camera setup. So let's get this camera mounted so we can start shooting. And this is the layout drawing that was done. Here's the exposure sheet that I made out. And what we're going to do first is take this off and put our elements down, starting with background. You see I have the light on in behind it. And then the overlay of the table. And then the glass, the prop of the glass. So here you can see through this, more or less. And you can see my GoPro camera and my camera stand. All my pencils and pens there. So I'm going to mount this camera so we can start. So the GoPro is set to take still pictures. Here is the X sheet. And the X sheet says to start with man 1, glass 1, OL, and the background. So we've got the glass here. And let's look at our drawings. Put the man drawing down here. Let's turn that out so we can see a little bit through. And take a picture. And it says it's going to hold for 8 frames. So that was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then it says to put on man 3, so put that up there. So you smooth out the paper, you can still see a little bit of the background through there. So we don't have to do 2 frames of this. We could just shoot 1 and then duplicate it in our edit program. It's 5. Here's 7. And then 9 is where he picks up the glass, actually touches it, so we can take glass off and put this one down. And that'll be held for 8 frames. But I'll just shoot it once and then we'll do the 8-frame hold in editing. So if you weren't doing this, you could do this on your scanner. So this is 17, and with 17 we need the liquid level to show that he's drinking this water. So we put that down. Liquid. That was 21, and here's 23. And then we take the liquid and the guy, and we go to M19 as he is going to put the glass down. And then 21. '23. '25. And I was supposed to erase the glass and use the held cell of the glass, and that would have been that, but I think I'll just use that drawing. And there you have it. That's how you shoot animation camera. So the next step after that is to take the card out of the camera and put it into my computer. And so we will show you that next time.